In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the Shure MV7 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Unlike the SM7B, which is an XLR microphone, the MV7 is a USB microphone, meaning that it can be easily connected to your PlayStation 5 or any other console. So all that you have to do is plug the MV7 using the included USB-C to USB-A cable to connect the microphone to one of the USB ports on the PlayStation 5. So all that you have to do is use any of the available USB ports on your console, plug the microphone using the USB-C to USB-A cable, and once it is plugged into any of the available USB ports on the PlayStation 5, you will be able to use it. If you want to set it up, you can go over to Settings, Sound, and then select the input device. You will be able to choose the Shure MV7 as the input device, and you will be able to adjust the microphone volume level and other settings in the same menu. Remember to experiment with different microphone placements to find the best sound quality for your voice, and the Shure MV7 should work seamlessly with voice chat in games and other applications. If you are capturing gameplay with a capture card or streaming software, remember to adjust the audio settings in those applications as well. The PlayStation 5 will directly support USB microphones without any additional software or any additional drivers, so this is why using the MV7 is extremely convenient. Unlike the SM7B, which requires an additional audio interface, for the MV7 you will be able to connect it right away and start using it. Just plug it in using the USB-C to USB-A cable, so one end on the microphone and another end on the PlayStation 5. It is going to be detected as an input device, and you will be able to use it right away in games, in voice chat, and whatever you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your MV7 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.